So the big picture for this lesson is interpreting function graphs. So what you're doing is you're trying to piece together stories based on a graph. So this graph, for example, is distance versus time. Distance goes from left to right, time is the vertical axis. So looking at this graph starting off, the distance is increasing as the time is increasing. So somehow here, this is getting further from the start. So basically, whatever's going on in this scenario, the person is getting further away. You can also look at the rate of change pattern to see if it is most likely faster or slower than other places. So there's nothing really to compare it to here. So I'm just going to say this is just kind of like walking away from the starting point. This next section here, this is constant, so there's no distance change. And the most likely scenario here is if this is somebody walking or jogging, they stopped because they're not moving and time is increasing. And now things have changed. The person is going closer to the starting point again. So it's like you turn around. And this is one thing that can be very confusing about distance versus time graphs. This is not height versus time or height versus distance. So the increase going uphill does not mean you're going uphill. This is not a hill that you're walking on. It's just about distance versus time. So this is about how close you are or how far away you are from the starting point. And still walking closer here, but slower. So you might say that the steeper one is jogging and the slower one is walking slowly or something like that. So that's the big picture for this lesson.